background.
Yo, all right, we finished. We got it put together. The Boshi, still don't know how to pronounce the name, you feel me? But pretty smooth kit. I don't know what color this is, like a kind of like a pale kind of blush purple, you feel me? But I like it. It's not necessarily white. It looks white, but it's not white. I fuck with that color hella heavy. And the kit itself though was pretty easy, pretty smooth build. Only took like 2 hours and some change, I want to say. I did already have the chest snapped together from yesterday, but that only took like a couple minutes. So you know what I mean. In total, it was under 3 hours. It was under 3 hours to build all together. I did put together all the weapons on this one. I'm probably gonna just leave them posed like this. And then after I panel line, your boy, it's showing. I'm gonna have to panel line. I'm panel line all of them. I'm gonna have to panel line all of them on the count of just make it stay. It just make it hit. It just make it hit mode. You feel what I'm saying? Just make it hit mode. So this is getting panel lined. I'm not sure if I'm gonna panel line it with the gray or the black. Cause that's the white areas are panel lined in gray, and the blue and red areas are panel lined in black, not blacked. So I don't know, cause it's a pretty, you know what I mean, pretty solid color over here. So I really haven't made a decision yet. I might just check it out, and then if I don't like it, I'll just wipe it off. Cause you got a certain amount of time to wipe it off for it's like set on there. Cause even when I jump lines, I use this right here quick enough, you can go ahead and wipe it away and get in there, and then, you know what I mean, relay your line. Yeah, I don't have any complaints about the kit. Any complaints at all, other than on the fin, the forehead fin, the V fin, what you gonna call it, like on the bail. It's got the red is a sticker, and I don't really fuck with it. But there was no annoying feet stickers, which was cool. The Astaroth and did the bear have? No, the bear didn't have, but the Astaroth had like some annoying feet stickers, which, you know, were kind of annoying, but that's not the case on this. But yeah, it's a dope kit, man. I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, looking forward to getting the panel line and sitting up next to its iron-blooded brethren. You know, I only have two iron-blooded kits panel line right now. I gotta do the boy, you feel me, the boy, and this right here. But yeah, man, I had took a little time off. I think I had this kit for like 2 weeks, and I just jumped on it. Take a little break, you know. Taking a little break is fine. Play some video games and that. But yeah, man, that's it, man. It's a cool kit, dope kit. I like it a lot. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. It's all put together. I like the shoulders a lot. I like the feet. I don't know what you would call these on the feet, but I like that. I like them. I like the design of it. Here's a little pistol rifle. I'm not really a fan of that. I might switch that out for the mace. The little mace right here. I got it on his belt right there. I might switch it out for that. But other than that, man, I fuck with the kit heavy. I'm with it. But I ain't gonna drag it out too much longer, man. This is kit. And yeah, I will catch y'all in the next one.